Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, August 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. As you can see, I have matched the very important data releases for today from all over the world. There is no news found. Let's see if there are any medium importance ones. We got the WPI inflation from the India, some data from Poland and Brazil and the India. So not that much important data at all. And if we just click on any news releases, we can see that all of them from different parts of the world, all of them are rather unimportant. So there's only one dot here. The dot is red. So not too much from the Forex calendar today. Nevertheless, let's do the review of the majors, and we are going to start with euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar, what do we have here on the beginning of the week is kind of interesting, because this technical support at 1.0913 has been tested already. Then there was a small bounce in the three waves, then another correction in three waves again, then another bounce which apparently broke the local technical resistance, but it's still not that much in the terms of the further movement to the upside. 1.1062 was the local high, but then you can see the bearish engulfing pattern, wave A, wave B, wave C to the downside, and the correction is done. So obviously what we can see here is that the bulls are trying to rally. However, there is no result from the effort, and the bears are pushing lower every time the market breaks above 1.1050 level. So in order to join test basically the technical resistance, this technical resistance is 1.1150. so that's the next target for the bulls eventually, of course. And then of course the swing high 1.1276. Let's make it thicker. There you go. So now this is the very interesting time for the euro dollar, because it's clearly down movement here, then some sort of the consolidation, some sort of the horizontal trend. Not much is going on since the lows of the August 3rd, so that was 11 days ago, right? 1.0913, and this might look like the wave A, wave B, and wave C. So what do I mean here? Maybe, just maybe, this correction from the lows at 1.0813 might be looking like this. So the ABC is done, and the market is ready for another drop lower. So what will happen here? Most likely we will break, if this scenario is correct, we will break below the lows of the August 3rd, okay, and then we will go even lower, where towards the key technical support, which is located at 1.0834, and this is why this one is thick red here on our chart. So please stay focused, stay vigilant, because the breakout might occur anytime soon, if this, of course, scenario is correct. So that was the euro dollar. Let's take a look at the British pound. Situation on the British pound is kind of similar to the situation on the euro, and as you can see, we are as well approaching the key technical support. So this support is located at 1.2590 roughly, of course. So this is the key one. Nevertheless, we got another technical support, maybe not that important, however still strong. This support is located at 1.2620, and it was made after this very nice pin bearish hammerish candle was made here on the August 3rd, again just like on the euro dollar. Then clear horizontal price action, last attempt to rally towards 1.2814, rejected, bearish engulfing, strong bearish engulfing pattern, was made. Let me just zoom in here so you can guys see more. There you go. So strong bearish engulfing pattern, and now the market is of course moving lower. Intraday technical support located at 1.2665, just below the 50 periods moving average, below 100 periods moving average. So this is clearly a bearish outlook. Momentum hovering around the level of 47, which is not strong at all. So the situation is kind of as I said, similar to the euro dollar, because we got the technical resistance here, we got the swing high and the critical key technical resistance here, 1.3142. But still we are under the bearish bearish pressure on this market. You can see it here when we add this trend line here, and there you are, you got this this technical outlook. So please keep an eye on for a potential pressure to the downside towards the key technical support from the June 29th 2023 on the British pound. So again, the outlook remains bearish. The outlook remains bearish in a British pound in a short term. What else we can take a look at is, of course, the market of US dollar to the Japanese yen as one of the majors, and this one is particularly one interesting one, because we just tested the key technical resistance. Take a look at this, guys. We got the 145.8. This was the technical resistance. Now it was violated. However, there is no daily close above this level yet. So what do we have here? We have a pretty nice bounce to the upside, and it's hanging above this 50 periods moving average, using it as a dynamic support. And just recently we made a local high at 145.23, so the outlook remains bullish. However, we got this extremely overbought market conditions. So now is the good time for the market to correct a little bit before moving lower. We got two kind of a nice technical support level for the bulls, 143.90 and 143.67. Those of course levels are on the 4-hour chart only. So if there is a pullback, it shouldn't be bigger. Then let me just take the price range tool, and there you go. For example, this one. So we got a roughly around minus 1.65. Oh, I'm not even trying to mention the key corrective decline here, which is 2.71. So any correction, any pullback lower than 1.65 means that there is still a chance for this market to rally higher, breaking the swing high from the June 13th 2023 and rallying higher and higher and higher. Let me just show you guys the outlook from the bigger picture. You can see that we've been moving up and up since the beginning of this year. So that was the biggest correction, and then again we are going up and up. It might be a double top. However, with this kind of a strong momentum, my best scenario, my best guess is that this market will eventually jump up and break this level in order to continue higher for the US dollar to the Japanese yen. That's everything from me for the beginning of the week. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.